We want to take you through our design, the Balmoral. This is a beautiful 321 square metre home, which has a beautiful Hampton style facade on it. This type of design works really well for those blocks which have views out to city or out to water, as all of the main living spaces are actually located on the upper floor. The ground floor where you enter into this house, you have double car garage, 2 bedrooms, a bathroom, and a really large MPR, which is a multi-purpose room. This space lends itself really well for a teenage retreat or dual occupancy if you are having multi-families living in the house. As you go upstairs, the master bedroom and second bedroom are up here, so they can take full advantage of the views and also still have access to, for instance, a child's room. The kitchen, dining, living, they all have a generous space, a balcony at the front and a private deck to the rear as well. The house itself, this kit, starts at $144,000. We can go through customization if that's needed for your block.